did it anyway. Hey, why the fuck do I do that? Sorry. Hey, welcome to. Y'all, I'm tired and I'm hot. Honestly, I'm just tired. Eating with Pooh. Today we will be eating FREDDY'S. It's a bag of grease, y'all. So y'all know this it ain't healthy. And I know y'all can see my waist trainer. Yeah, girl is getting back to working out, y'all. Getting back to working out. I got me a steak burger. And it's so good. Give me a steak burger. I'm gonna put it on the plate, actually. And fries. They fries, cause they had like the string fries. I was eating them. I'm not gonna lie. I was eating them before I made it to the house. So they're a little empty. So yeah. Put this down onto a plate. I never understood why people use plates before, if they not mukbanging, like just use whatever your burger came in. But now I'm that person that use a plate, cause y'all want to be able to see my food. And you got, y'all see them big old onions on that burger. Look at this. So good. And they got this fry. They got this fry seasoning. I don't get a lot because if you put it a lot, your fries be salty, and I don't like too much salt. And I put a little bit on my burger. Had that thing popping. I only get a lot. I mean a little. It don't take a lot. It really don't. So how are you guys doing on this lovely day? I'm tired. Honestly. I'm really, really tired. Oh, and I'm drinking Dr. Pepper. And as y'all can see, I already been drinking it. It's just hot, y'all. For no reason. I want to know, like, where are my subscribers? Like, where do y'all reside at? Leave a comment and let me know where y'all reside at. And I also want to know, what are y'all favorite food? My favorite food is seafood. So my next mukbang will be seafood. I supposed to have been did it, but I've been procrastinating because I don't want to cook. I really don't feel like cooking. But I'm going to cook. We got king crab, we got snow crab, we got shrimp, and we have shrimp. And I also have corn and potatoes. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Oh, I dip my fries. Sometimes it depends on my mood. So I'm both. I'm a fry dipper and I like to it depends on the fries, honestly. Which one are you? Do you put the ketchup all over your fries or do you dip? I used to meme out there that say there are two types of people. And then it shows the dippers, then it shows the ketchup. And on both. And y'all are funny, my friends. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all for subscribing to me and taking the time out to watch my videos. All 46 y'all. We at 46, y'all. Almost at 50. I think I'm gonna do a giveaway when I get to 100 followers. I mean subscribers. Hey, give me that. Make sure y'all tell y'all people to subscribe to me. I'm so humble and so happy that y'all are being supportive. And you guys, I don't know, like if y'all big in the mukbang community, of course y'all know B-Love, right? I was so happy because B-Love left a heart on my comment yesterday. I'm so happy. And then I had sorry, I had inboxed sorry y'all. That's so good. Freddy's is good, y'all. They're legit good. If y'all have a Freddy's where y'all at, I'm pretty sure y'all know. And if y'all do, what are y'all order? Some of y'all favorite things to eat from Freddy's? I should not be eating this because I'm just now starting back to work out. But y'all, I'm eating this. It's a sacrifice I'm making for y'all. I'm doing this for y'all, not me. I'm eating this for you. This is for you. I'm taking a sacrifice for you. Let me stop. Y'all like, girl, quit lying. You eating that for you. You wanted that. I really didn't. I was gonna make a salad today. I'm like, no folks don't want to see me eat healthy. It's a mukbang. Don't nobody want to see you eat healthy. I want to see you get down and dirty. So I took one for the team. That's what it is. Now, I never finish all my food. I will finish this. I love Freddy's, y'all. I love them. I used to sleep on them. I used to sleep on them a lot until I got put on. I think I got put on Freddy's like 2 years ago when I was in the hospital. And there was a Freddy's right across the street. I think, or it was shortly after that, one or the other. Woo! I need to be drinking water while I'm bull crapping. I need to be drinking water for real. So far, can you guys tell me? I know I'm asking y'all a lot, but I want y'all to interact. And then it'll let me know that y'all actually watching my videos, like actually watching me. So, can y'all tell me what y'all liking about my videos? What you feel like I need to improve on? Anything. And I told y'all yesterday, do not come for me about my son. I told y'all don't come for me. And y'all came for me. See, we're gonna have to fight. It's just tough love, you know? Tough love. We're gonna have to fight because y'all came for me. I dropped the ball on that one. Team Jaden, y'all got one up on me. Team J, y'all winning so far. It's okay, come make him do a challenge of mine, and I'm gonna win. I'm going to win. How about that? That was funny. Like the response I was getting on my Snap. I don't think nobody commented like under the video. But the text messages and the snaps I was getting, y'all was on me. Y'all was on me bad. Sorry. And I was saying how long it was gonna take for somebody to realize that I've been doing video with broke nails, with a broke nail. I was waiting till it fill in all the way because I didn't want it to get infected when I go to a nail shop. If you ever had an infected finger, you know it don't feel good. I've never had one, but I've seen it in cosmetology school. And so I didn't want it to get infected, so I was letting it grow out. But I'll be going to get my nails done tomorrow. I shall. So hopefully bless me, bless me. Thank you if you said bless you. I'm gonna record one more video today. So after these 2 videos, y'all get to see my new nails. They gonna be in and popping. So I was watching this video and people were telling me like, I wanted to speak on this. I know I'm 12 minutes in the video. I'm gonna just speak on it briefly. I was watching this video and they were like, you gotta get your makeup ready because people are gonna criticize you, this and that, and all that. Honestly, I'm not the girl that wear makeup every day. I'm not going to put on makeup to sit in the camera. That's not me, as y'all can see. I have bad skin. Sometimes I will wear makeup, but makeup is what got me this bad skin. And it's a lot better than what it used to be. So I'm working on getting myself ready, like getting myself like prepared. I don't want to have to put on makeup to feel beautiful. I'm not down in the people that do. I just personally don't want to have to put on makeup for you guys to accept me. I want y'all to see me every which way. I don't want people like, oh, she's flawless. No, I'm a regular human being just like you. I work out. I got bad skin. I got acne really bad. And I'm just doing what I love. I love to eat, y'all. I really do love to eat. Like, if you know me, you know I love to eat. And I don't want you to get in your head that I'm perfect, because I'm not. That's just me. I'm not knocking the people that do it. Do you? But you won't see me dolled up every day on this channel. I don't want to get subscribers like that, because I don't feel like, because once I get, like, say I reach 50K and I get y'all and y'all start to see my bad skin, or, you know, like, what happened? That ain't the person I subscribed. Yes, this is the person you subscribe to. I want y'all to see my growth as the videos go on. They said don't be fake, be yourself. I'm being myself. So if y'all gravitate to it, good. If not, I didn't need you over here anyway. So yeah, it's really hard starting a YouTube channel because people really don't want to support you, but I'm gonna prove myself. I shall. I shall. I don't want nothing given to me. I want to work for every subscriber like I've been doing. I want to work for it. And I'll get up so y'all can see. Right, if this not a good waist trainer, babe, do not kill me. FYI, because I know you watch all my videos. Don't kill me. I just want people to see, because I know they like, why the hell she got on a waist trainer? But if this is not a good waist trainer, you guys comment and let me know a good one. I'm trying to get fine. I'm trying to be, ooh. Oh yeah. My next video that I post, it won't be a mukbang. It'll be me retwisting my hair. It shall be me retwisting my hair. You guys. Are y'all excited? I know y'all tired of seeing these nappy roots. Y'all like, when this heifer gonna do her nappy old head? Like, she cute now, but her hair nappy. I know. Her hair nappy, her nail broke. She just all fucked up, messed up. It's okay. And I know I can start. Everybody be like, oh, when you start a YouTube channel and you get big, you gotta have tough skin. I have that. I haven't let nothing in life knock me down yet. Not my lung disease, not my health, not nothing. If this lung disease that I'm living with every day don't bother me, you guys' words will not bother me. I will only notice the good. Notice the good. Can't tell me. I look in the mirror every day. I'm like, dang, you got messed up skin. It's okay, sis. It's okay. It's gonna get better. Or, ooh, my body ain't how I want it to. I could easily go lay on the table and do it. I want to work for it. I want to work for it when you get through. I'm not knocking the people that do that. Look, because I know y'all just take stuff and run with it. I'm not knocking the people that do. I'm just telling you what I want to do. I want to work for mine. I have too many surgeries in my life, so I don't want to have one that I don't need. That's just where I'm at with it. But y'all will see me. If y'all want to see me work out, see my workout routine, let me know. I'll record it. That'd be the pretty dope. Let me know. This video was pretty cool. I think I talked. I'm not even full as I thought I would be. And I appreciate each and every last one of y'all. Let's get me to 100 subbies. Let's get to 100 subs. You guys, come on. If you don't mind, share my video, like, comment, share it. And don't forget to subscribe, people. Do not forget to subscribe. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Be blessed. I love y'all. Remember to stay positive. No matter what comes your way, remember to stay positive about it all. Sorry. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing. Oh my gosh, y'all. I love Freddy's ice. Freddy's ice is kind of like Sonic ice. You know, that crushed ice. Oh my gosh, that ice is good. Sorry. But, yeah. I'm out. Peace, love, and blessings. Be easy. I hope you guys enjoyed my Freddy's mukbang. 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 I don't know why I say it like I like it. But people be like mukbang. I be like, no, it's bone. Bone. Whatever. Bye.